In Telli, everything is going right. Every move I've made, every move that I will make is the correct one. That is essentially what Telli is about. There's a recklessness to it as well. The first lines that I wrote in the song were hit that shit like Balotelli, just broke the telly. Balotelli was easily the most chaotic footballer when I was growing up. He was burning houses, crashing cars, fighting teammates and coaches, scoring incredible goals. He was doing everything. And that is what I wanted to capture, the essence of Balotelli between 2008 and 2016. The first element of the beat that I worked on was the main chord progression. I found a synth in a Monte Booker pack, and I came up with some simple chords. Did some EQing, and I also added some reverb to fill up the space. On the chorus of the song, we have a slightly different chord progression. So I wanted bassline to be simple, but I also needed people to bop their heads. Like, even if I was to add 0 drums, the bassline needed to be good enough to hold that groove. I found the sound in the Monte Booker pack again. Everybody say thank you, Monty. And then I came up with this melody. Now if we're adding the main chord progression with the synths, we have the intro of the song. I really love the drums on this song. Like, I think they're the stars of the entire beat. The best feature of the drums is how the kick interacts with the synths and the vocals. So I sidechained the kick to those tracks to give this effect. There's a couple extras, the most prominent one being this little clip of strings being played pizzicato. I think that's how you say it. It's listed across the entire track, increasing in frequency as we go through the song, and then it resolves in the outro fully. The other extra was this thing from Flex, slow filter strings. Outros are a very good area to express yourself as a producer or songwriter. I feel like you can hear that in a lot of my songs, and Telli is no different. So first, here's the resolution to the strings that we talked about in the extra section. And then we have this other crazy sound coming, and I'll need to explain how I made this sound because I feel like I snapped. I feel like I ate. Okay, so we have this sample. I sped it up. Then I added a lot of reverb and stereo enhancement. Then I layered the sample with itself, but like an octave higher. The final element of the outro is the piano, and it kind of glues everything together. Now wrap all those elements with some of the things we already covered before, and you have a beautiful finish. Kind of like Balotelli's goal for Italy versus Germany. Yeah.